face of the unicorn. Unicorns are so magical and so beautiful. Now adding a cute rainbow horn. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Our unicorn has long, shiny and magical hairs. It looks like a unicorn from a fairy tale. Our unicorn is the princess of the unicorn land. Adding a cute little smile. Our unicorn has eyes full of magic. Our magical unicorn looks so adorable. It's almost ready. Now it's time to paint. Pink. Purple, teal blue, yes, you got this. Yellow, light blue, dark pink, light green, teal blue, pink. Let's paint our magical rainbow horn. Yellow, bright red, glitter time. Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.